In this video, I will show you how to create a special email schedule for Channex, the OTAs. So here we are, website tab, email templates. You can create special templates for Booking.com, Expedia, Airbnb, or maybe just a template that's titled Channex. You will just use this Add Template button, and you will add the template, and you will add the wording that you would like the OTA guests to receive. And typically that's not going to include the reservation details, rates, and that type of thing, because that's handled over in the OTAs. So once the email templates are created, then you will create an email schedule. You can use this Add Schedule button. You can create a schedule that's titled just General Channex, or like this client has done, has created an email schedule for both Expedia, Airbnb, and Booking.com. If we open up on the schedules, you can set the messages to go out, just like they are done here. You will use for internal, you'll set this to no, and you're not going to select any of the reservation pages. Another way to go about this is to create an email schedule that's blank, like this one, Airbnb. It is a blank schedule. So this means that no emails are going to be going out to the Airbnb guests. So you set it all blank, and it's a blank schedule. And so you can do that individually for each channel if you wish. So then the next step to this is good to go to Settings tab, External Connections. And once you have those templates and schedules set up, you'll come over here and we'll hit Edit Settings. And here you can select what general automatic emails you'd like to go out. So if you have one email schedule, such as my example, creating one that's just general, titled maybe Channex, you could set it here. Or you can come down here and you can be a little bit more specific. So for Airbnb, you can select that the Airbnb schedule goes out, so on and so forth. For Booking.com, the Booking.com email schedule goes out, so on and so forth. So that is how you set specific email schedules to go out to the OTA guests.